So you are looking for facts and benefits about avocados? Here are a few facts about avocados you may not have known. Before going forward, please do subscribe and watch till end. We don't want you to miss benefits of avocados. It is no longer strange to see people making it a point to eat avocados every day. What people don't know is that there are many facts that they should be aware of before believing all the hype. It is important to note that some of the facts have been misused by people to promote the healthy eating habits that are only good for their pocket. One of the most important facts is that avocados, just like other foods, can be harmful to your health if consumed in excess. This is why it is important to exercise caution when you are eating more than what is needed. It is also important to note that it is not necessary to eat a lot of avocados to gain a lot of health benefits. The second most important fact is that there are other things that you can do that will help you get the maximum amount of health benefits from avocados. For example, you can also eat the fruits that are found inside the fruit. This means that the juice is still good even though it comes from an outside source. There are many fruits that are considered as tasty, such as apples, bananas, oranges, and even grapes. Even though these fruits taste good, they are not very healthy for you. Another thing that you can do to gain health benefits from avocados is to include them in your healthy diet. By doing this, you can get the maximum amount of health benefits from the food that you are consuming. This will ensure that you don't have to suffer from the effects of food poisoning because you ate too much of something that may have caused an imbalance in your system. Aside from the fact that avocados are a good source of nutrition, they are also a source of energy. This is great if you are trying to lose weight. You can consume several avocados every day and you will surely start losing weight. They are also known to help prevent diseases such as cancer, diabetes, heart disease, and even cardiovascular diseases. In addition to the health benefits that you can get from eating the fruit, you should also know the fact that it will improve your hair. One of the reasons why avocados are so good for your hair is because of the amount of fiber and other nutrients that are contained in the fruit. Fiber helps to keep your hair looking good and healthy. On top of all these benefits, you should also know that the fat content is quite low. If you are a person who is trying to gain weight, then it would be best to eat the fruit instead of eating a lot of fried foods. Eating it raw will give you an opportunity to get the maximum amount of benefits without having to worry about it being a lot of calories. Last but not least, avocados have a good amount of calcium. Not only do they give you the vitamins that you need, but they are also good sources of calcium that you can take during your daily diet. Calcium is very important, especially if you are planning to have a baby in the near future.